Saona Island lies just off the southeastern tip of the Dominican Republic and forms part of the protected East National Park. This island is a classic Caribbean postcard: thick mangroves, bright coral reefs, and long beaches lined with tall, swaying palms. One of the most famous spots is Palmilla Beach, known for its calm turquoise water and soft white sand. The shallow lagoon areas around the island are home to large, colorful starfish, making it a must-see stop on any boat trip. On the south side, you'll find Mano Juan, a peaceful fishing village with brightly painted houses, a slow island rhythm, and a small sanctuary dedicated to protecting sea turtles. If you travel west across the island, you can explore the Cave of Cotubanamá, where pre-Columbian rock art still covers the walls. It's a fascinating reminder that Saona has been a special place for centuries, long before modern visitors discovered its beauty.